Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today we're just gonna go ahead and do a simple beautiful gradient. Now for those of you who are new in nail art, I'm sure you're gonna love this video. Now for those of you who already know, well, you can just enjoy watching the video, watching me create a gradient. Oh my god. So I'm not going to be able to talk a lot because I had a wisdom tooth pull out and it's killing me, but I'm just trying to make my day better, so I decide I will record a video. So again, you will need some nail polish. I decided to use only 2 colors. You can actually use more colors, but this time I'm gonna use these 2. These are for Fancy Gloss, Blue Skies and Pink Haze. And you will need a sponge. I'm using a Dollar Tree kitchen sponge, and I just cut a piece. I have a white base. It's not even perfect, it doesn't matter, and all I'm gonna need is a top coat. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and then I'll be back as usual at the end of the video. So yeah, let's get started. You guys, so this is how my nails look now. I already cleaned most of my fingers and they look all dry and disgusting. I'm gonna wash my hands afterwards and put some oil, but let me just show you. You probably saying, oh my gosh, she has a mess in those fingers. So all I do is get like a 100% acetone and I just go like this. And like I said, if you've done this before, it's probably not so important to you, but there's always new people, you know, there's always people new doing nail art, so you gotta be fair and show everyone. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and clean around and you guys see how easy it was. Let me just tell you one thing. If you use just regular nail polish remover, it's so much harder. Now when you use 100% acetone, believe me, you will remove all the polish really easy and really fast. So the only thing I need to do is top coat, let it dry, and then I'll go wash my hands and then I'll be back. But that's all I'm gonna do in this video. I think I'm gonna do another video stamping over this, and I'm trying to upload more content on my channel. It's just, you know, life happens, and yeah. Alright, well let me go ahead and wash my hands. Alright you guys, so this is how my nails look. I think they look pretty good. I already washed my hands. I also put some oil, so if they look kind of oily around the cuticles. That's because I put some oil. And all I gotta say, I like my nails. I will stamp over them. And yeah, you guys, I hope you like this tutorial. I just feel like sometimes I need to go back doing old stuff that I haven't done in a while on my channel, and this is actually something that I really like doing. So I hope this helps anyone trying to do some gradient nails. Also, don't forget to like, that would really help. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. I'm always here. Yeah, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye, you guys. Bye.